Yes, look at that on the journey. Look at that amazing today. Nice, but this is really a road breadfruit on the beach. Yeah! Yeah. Nice, folks. Nice. Yeah, after that tree-full adventure there, we going fishing. Nice. So according to you already, when you're fishing, but you mightn't be catching, we are sure.
Well, we'll try it.
Look, gears here. Rod. Yeah. Fully loaded tackle box there.
Yep.
And guess where we heading? Let me tell you one time we head down Yaara Bay. We go and do something there. We have breadfruit there. If we catch anything, we can roast up some fish or breadfruit and like we sell. Yeah? Right. Yes, look at that. We on the journey there. Cooler. Yes. We see cooler gas tank stove going on there. Cooking going to take place on Yaara Beach. Wow. And the beach beautiful today, boy. Oh, yes, sir. Magnificent scenery here at Yaara Beach. Yeah. Anyway, we heading across by the river mouth. Yeah.
Since 95.
Yeah, we get it. So yeah, folks, bars. How long you been in the sea?
Since 95.
You will take a bait today. You can't live without taking a bait. Yeah. Yes, so take a squeeze there. Big cookout go and take place there, by yeah. Yes, sir. Hey, fisherman on the right there, boy. What? We're going to the left. Yeah. I believe my partner Mark said that rock long time it had hollyweed paint on it. Hollyweed. You know why? That rock. Yeah. Good day. Hi. What's going on? You were on the camera one time. Yes. So look at here. Somebody called me here. Huh? Big up. Oh, you there? Yeah. What's his name? Sunil. Big up to Sunil out there. Sunil Tokai out there. Nice. Well, we down to the left. Okay. Yeah. They come and walk out by man. Yeah. Beautiful Yaara. Yes, folks, look at that. Amazing today. Boy, yeah, words can explain. Normally, the river mouth is be shooting straight out. Look what going on. The river going so, come back this side, make a circle, and come round here. Wow. This view simply magnificent here. Wow. Yeah, folks, words can explain. You all have to come here for yourself. Yeah? Beautiful here, man. Beautiful. You are based in the back, so? Wow. Nice, boy. Yeah. Yaara. This is the best I ever see Yaara. How the river mouth make the curve. River make the curve. Definitely. Wow. Boy.
Nice.
So Baz, as a man who never come this place, lived Trinidad 40-50 years ago, what you had to say about this place, boy?
Number 10.
Number 10. Now we get a 12 out of 10.
It's a 10.
Yeah. Boy. Watch the river. Normally, right? That's I say now. Normally the river just shoot out there when rainy season. Cut there and just go out there straight. And how it make that all a curve, boy, yeah. Magnificent, boy.
Like a park, like a water park.
Yeah, boy, magnificent. Wow. Alright, folks, we gonna fish. Anything, try anything. Yes, folks, so we're reaching the zone here. Check out the deep water right here. So we're gonna try anything and see if we catch. Yeah? Beautiful place here. Nice, folks. We have everybody setting up something here. Man like Pablo setting up our caster. To fish with bait. You see them soliers in here. Nice bait, man. Yeah. Nice, action. Nice bait, boy.
Look like a fish.
Yeah. Oh, yes, I don't know it yet.
No.
Nice. Anyway, that's the vibes here. Let's see if we get something. Just cast a few lures there, I cannot hit. This little fishing here is more early morning fishing. Early morning, you get all the fish playing and feeding now. Yeah. Ready? Right folks, nothing playing out here, not a fight. So we heading on the surf and try something. Yeah, we can try something on the surf. Nothing. Probably late evening there biting, probably I bite a little later. Or early morning. I know what's going on here. Nice folks, beautiful. Look how beautiful that is. Anyway, we come here, we can set up some line, try something on the surf. Yeah. Right folks, while them boy fishing there, we see some snook in the river. We can try and catch two to make our roast up with our breadfruit. One fish with bait and with lure. Yeah. Look at this folks, look at this beauty of Yaara River. Yeah. Water just running on top of the bank. And when a big flood come, all this bank gone. Here get flat. Yeah. Let me cause a little avalanche here. Go to the river mouth and try a thing. How about the river mouth where the swing is in Yaara? Alright folks, today wasn't fishing day. We are catching nothing on the far side, so today was our day just to show you all the beauty of Yaara. Yeah, so enjoy. And like Pablo roasting up our breadfruit day, right? Hey, where you get our crab? Come catch it.
Was he crab at one time?
Big sirik boy.
Yeah, that nice circle.
Yeah boy.
Oh, come on there, roast breadfruit and roast crab.
Yeah boy.
You trying something on there?
Yeah.
Real bushman style.
Yeah, real bushman style. With some ital on the side. Yes sir. Nice. You can see them fellas doing in the background here. Gosh, baby. I'm fishing day, boy. No luck?
Crab.
Yeah boy, that big sirik na.
Crab.
I think big boy. Nice. Here folks, fishing wasn't so nice today, so we're catching nothing yet. I know for later. Yeah. Nice folks, like the vibes here. Breadfruit roast in the air. And I got crab here, boy. We gotta give these about bronchitas suck.
Crab and roast.
Yeah. That's the manual blender.
Yeah, all right.
Pong up in a coconut shell.
We learn something today.
Yes. The primitive style. Man, yeah. The vibe just nice. Yeah, catch no fish. We went 3 pools. Enjoy the day. Throw some line, catch nothing. But not still fishing all day. And it's about to get dark, so in case we and try find the sale food of viewers. Yeah. Nice. Nice food. We had this one with a spread today by the ocean. Yes, sir.
Estaba preparando tu solo, pero tem mediação. Estava preparando.
Alright.
Follow his and them.
Have I breadfruit yet? Huh? Yeah.
Pasal sampai. Kenapa? Oh, saya nak kalau dari lagi. Yang berapa kalau kita? Hah? Kalau kita ada itu lah di kamar. Paling kamar. Kau punya kamar apa?
No, I don't. Yes, the screen just got up. Come fellas, dig in.
Take some others.
Yeah. So all they do that, just roast it?
Yeah. Stick a little pepper rub it all over and eat it like a watermelon.
Take any piece now, man. Let's check it. Taste it.
Smaller. This one.
Take some pepper and put it. Get a crab here for it.
I heard that say good pepper.
Nice folks, this is the road breadfruit on the beach. That's a nice. I feel we go end this one with this here. Nice. Nice folks, look at that shot, man. They blazing a piece of breadfruit there and a piece of crab.
Fab.
Yes. Niceness in the house, man. Yes, sir. But without me, I still have a grub to deal with. A piece of breadfruit. Nice.
There's a piece now, eh?
Man in the dark here, boy. He's man in the dark here, licking his lip, boy. Yeah.
Record piece of the crab now,
Oh
eh?
gosh, right. On the shoreline of Yaara Beach. Yes, sir. Yeah, man.
Enjoy yourself. Watch it.
There, yeah. Hey, watch.
Big
Look
piece
at
of
that
crab.
there. Yeah. Bite it. Let me see a bite it. Yay! Yes, sir. That's what we're talking about, man. Yes, sir. Nice. Sir. We are Brian. No, Brian. Oh, gosh.
Watch
It's
this
Brian?
now. Watch this now. Let's tell you
Yeah,
live.
we are Brian from the Search and Rescue Team.
Life
One
and
deal with
luxury,
a piece of
man.
bread. Life and luxury. Come
Watch
hey,
it
that
now.
always
Watch
opposite
it
it.
now. Gourmet meal here now.
Come Amelia in the house.
Watch
like.
it there.
Hey! Yes, sir. Yeah.
Watch it.
And that's it.
Just grab on your
Grundy in the house, there, man. Yeah.
Watch it there.
Yay!
Hey. What is it now?
Yeah.
Ah.
Nice. Eh. That's what I hear, man.
The cat is best.
Yes, sir. There we out here. Yeah. Nice. And we have some item out there to drink after. We can deal with that in a bit. Yeah. Nice, folks. So these the vibes here. We'll pick the pack up and head out of here. Call it a day. Boy, base always the vibes. Nice.
Good, real good.
Nice, man.
Nice place.
Fellas there. Thing so. Nice. Ready we folks. And
What
man
you
like,
tackle,
don't
boss?
forget man like Pablo here. Pablo. Yeah, why
Yeah, man.
Pablo? Vibes in the house. And like Brian there. Yeah, boy, Brian. Hey, Honda search and rescue, eh? Yeah.
This one
Nice.
right here, right?
One like
Taran.
Taran.
Yeah.
Yeah, so folks, you looking to head out here. So hope you'll enjoy that little adventure session. So see you all in the next one.